Here you can see turmeric growing at a farm. It is a non-GMO variety which has been grown here since ages. We do not use any kind of chemical fertilizers, insecticide, pesticide or weedicide. This crop is 6 months old now and it will be ready to harvest in next 15 to 20 days. You can see the front leaves drying. We grow this turmeric in most sustainable and traditional way that not only nurtures your health but takes care of the planet too. We do not use non-reusable plastic mulching sheets for the crop. Instead, we use flame of the forest leaves for mulching, which later changes into compost and makes soil more fertile. If you're aware about the history of Mewar, do you know where Maharana Pratap was treated after the first battle of Haldi Ghati? You can refer to Sagat Raso if you want. For now, I'll tell you that yes, the great ruler of Mewar was treated at Kolyari. And if you ask us, we will proudly tell you that yes, our ancestors treated the great warrior of Mewar using the haldi of Kolyari. Can you imagine history without Maharana Pratap? So yes, we have all reasons to be proud of. Now coming back to turmeric. Turmeric is a plant that has a very long medical use history, dating back to nearly 4,000 years. In India, turmeric is used not only as a principal spice, but also as a component in religious ceremonies. Because of its brilliant yellow color, turmeric is also known as Indian saffron. Modern medicine has begun to recognize its importance, as indicated by the over 3,000 publications dealing with turmeric that came out within the last 25 years. Indian turmeric is considered to be best in the world. In Ayurvedic practices, turmeric is taught to have many medical properties, including strengthening the overall energy of the body, treating cancer, relieving gas, dispelling worms, improving digestion, regulating menstruation, dissolving gallstones, and relieving arthritis. It is also used as an antiseptic for cuts, burns, and bruises, and as an antibacterial agent. You should surely add turmeric to your diet, but surely know where your turmeric is coming from, because the market is full of synthetic and adulterated turmeric. At House of Kolyari, your health is our concern. Stay tuned for more ways to symbiotic living.